Karnataka reports 271 cases in the last 24 hours, taking the total tally to 6,516 cases. Karnataka has 2,995 active cases. Total COVID deaths have increased to 79, with 7 new deaths being reported, out of which 4 deaths has been reported from Bengaluru. Karnataka sees the highest number of discharges in the last 24 hours. 464 people have been discharged, of which 129 people are from Yadgir, 125 of them are from Udupi, 62 from Belagavi and 60 from Kalburgi, taking the total number of discharges to 3,440 in the state. Jindal factory continues to haunt Karnataka as 97 new cases has been reported from Ballari in the last 24 hours, taking the district's total tally to 168 cases. Bengaluru has also reported 36 new cases in the last 24 hours, taking the total tally of the city to 617 cases. India reports the highest single-day spike of 10,956 new COVID-19 cases and 396 deaths in the last 24 hours. Total number of cases in the country now at 2,97,535, including 1,41,842 active cases and 1,47,197 recoveries. India has also reported 8,498 deaths. A 3-judge bench comprising of Justice Ashok Bhushan, Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul and Justice M.R. Shah heard the matter on issues relating to the treatment of COVID-19 patients and also spoke about the dignified handling of bodies in hospitals. The Supreme Court has asked the state government to reply to the notice by the 17th of June. BBMP gets ready for an increase in COVID-19 cases in the city, identifies open-air quarantine centers. Kantirva Stadium, Tripura Vasini, open grounds near Whitefield and Tumkuru have been identified. The grounds will also have medical staff present and food will also be given to those people who will be brought in for quarantine. Nalin Kumar Katil inaugurates new Gurpur Bridge in Mangaluru. No social distancing seen in the event as hundreds of his supporters thronged the venue. Some of them were even found not wearing masks at the inauguration. Four members from Karnataka elected unopposed to Rajya Sabha. H.D. Devegowda nominated from the JDS, Mallikarjun Kharge from the Congress, Iranna Kadadi and Ashok Gasti nominated from the BJP. Rahul Gandhi chants that India is intolerant and has lost the tolerance DNA. He also added that India is not ready to accept new ideas and were not even open to it, as well as the new innovations in today's ever-changing world. The Supreme Court has observed that the Union Finance Ministry and RBI will have to decide on whether interest should be levied on borrower accounts which have sought the 3-month moratorium period. The hearing is now slated for the 17th of June.